If you listen to Jensen Huang, and I'm sure you do, I know you do because I've seen his stock price, and I know. I went to dinner with Elon in Nobu Palo Alto. I went to dinner with Elon Musk, Jensen Huang, and I went to dinner, and I would describe the dinner as Oracle and me and Elon begging Jensen for GPUs. Please take our money. Please take our money. By the way, I got dinner. Please take our money. Take more of it. You're not taking enough that we need you to take more of our money. Please. It went okay. It worked.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Sora Trades, where we're breaking down some critical technicals that could impact your next trade. From moving averages to Fibonacci retracements, we're going deep into the key levels that matter right now. If you're trading or investing in Nvidia, you won't want to miss this. Before we jump right into the charts though, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Today, we're diving deep into a key technical pattern forming in Nvidia, specifically a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. We'll also be discussing some killer trades from the 5-minute time frame that brought in some sweet gains. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader, this video is for you. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what we're seeing on the daily chart. Nvidia is currently trading in a symmetrical triangle. Now, what does that mean? A symmetrical triangle forms when price action is getting squeezed between a series of lower highs and higher lows, indicating that buyers and sellers are reaching an equilibrium. Typically, these patterns lead to breakouts in either direction. We've got the lower trendline dynamics in play right now, and I think the odds are increasing that if the price is unable to hold the 117.12 level, on a closing basis, the lower trend will act as a magnet and draw price in for a retest of the lower trend line. Somewhere around 108.50 or so, a key support level we'll definitely need to keep an eye on. On the upside, if price can reclaim and hold above 117.12, that would increase the odds of a retest of the upper trend line near the $122 level, and if price breaks above that, we could see some strong upside momentum. Now, symmetrical triangles are continuation patterns of the prevailing trend. They don't inherently favor bulls or bears. Instead, they signal that price is consolidating and ready to break. So, what should we be looking for? If Nvidia breaks above the upper trend line, which again is around $120 to $122, this could be a bullish continuation. We might see Nvidia revisit previous highs or even push to new levels. On the downside, a breakdown below that 108.50 support level would suggest that bears are in control and we could see the stock move lower. This level is crucial at 109 as a break, and close lower would increase the likelihood of a 100 retest of the September 6th swing low. Alright, shifting gears for a minute, I want to talk about a really exciting trade we took today on the 5-minute time frame. We identified a descending triangle on Nvidia during today's trading session, which led to a quick 40% gain for our members. Yup, you heard that right, 40% in 57 minutes. If you would like us to send an instant notification to your mobile device each time we place a stock or options trade, join our Patreon trading group, the second link in the description. As you can see here, the price was consolidating with lower highs and a flat bottom. A classic setup for a bearish breakout. And sure enough, once it broke that support, we entered the trade and rode the momentum down. It's an awesome example of how these patterns can provide high probability setups. When it comes to technicals, it's not just about patterns. Let's talk indicators. In this case, our super trend on the daily chart is signaling sell at $116, which is right in line with the bearish momentum we've been seeing. Couple that with the 50-day and 200-day SMAs acting as resistance, and it makes sense that Nvidia is struggling to push higher right now. For those who are swing trading or holding positions longer, make sure you're watching these levels. They're acting as dynamic resistance and support zones, and as always, price action around these areas will be key. So where does that leave us with Nvidia? Right now, Nvidia is in a wait-and-see phase. We're watching that symmetrical triangle closely, because when it breaks, it's going to move, and that move could be explosive. If you're bullish, keep an eye on that upper trend line at $120 to $122. A break above that could signal a continuation of the uptrend. If you're more cautious, watch for the price to break below $108.50. A breakdown here could see Nvidia fall back to $105 or even $100. That's where you'll want to consider managing risk. And of course, don't forget to track the super trend, the 50-day SMA, and the 200-day SMA as additional confirmation tools in your trading strategy. To recap, we've got Nvidia consolidating in a symmetrical triangle, likely headed toward a major breakout. We had a great 5-minute trade today, making a solid 40% on a descending triangle breakdown. Keep your eyes on those key levels we mentioned earlier. $108.50 as support and $120 to $122 for resistance. If you're loving this kind of technical analysis and want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Let me know in the comments where you think Nvidia is headed next. And as always, see you in the next video. And if you think we earned it, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.